Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about 4 tips on how to maintain a nice healthy roof. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds. Irritate. Welcome back, it's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about 4 tips today on how to maintain a nice healthy roof, right? Yes, your roof can be healthy and vibrant and alive. Because one of the things buyers look for when you're selling is how old is the roof and the condition of the roof. So my 4 tips for how to take care of your roof. 1, maintain. Maintain your chimney, maintain your gutters, right? Get in there, do what you gotta do every year with your chimney sweeps, right? Go check your gutters, pull out debris or anything like that that could be in there, right? Maintain the chimneys, maintain the gutters. Easy. Number 2, inspect. Inspect for shingles, right? Are shingles cracking or shingles falling off, right? Inspect them, check, see if you gotta replace them, do anything like that for one of your shingles. But also, inspect the sealant around your roof, right? Make sure that doesn't need to be replaced. Is it still holding up, right? So always inspect. The third tip actually now for you is to remove anything external that could be damaging your roof. For example, overhanging trees or ice dams if you're in New England area like we are, right? Ice dams clouding up on the roof is no good, right? No good. That frozen stuff can damage your shingles, damage your roof, ruin your sealant, right? Get that frozen ice dams off. Get those frozen ice dams off. Remove any overhanging branches or anything like that that could be damaging your roof. And the 4th tip, right, is always get a professional to come and tell you what's going on, right? Any questions, any answers you need, get a professional, right? Check some YouTube videos, but make sure the person giving you has got quality info, right? It's been real, it's been 90, gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.